Day 2 of the trial of the Sedona Sweat Lodge tragedy just wrapping up. The defense team finished opening statements and witnesses are already taking the stand. The trial's being held at the Yavapai County Courthouse in Camp Verde, and that's where Eric English joins us live. And Eric, this looks like it's going to be a pretty lengthy trial.
Well, Katie, this could take 4 months, and today we settled down for what is promising to be a long trial. Today, the prosecution called its first witness, a woman who has been to several of James Ray's seminars in the past, and that includes the one in Sedona, which 3 people died.
I went to Creating Absolute Wealth, Practical Mysticism, Modern Magic.
The prosecution's first witness is no stranger to the ways of James Arthur Ray. Melissa Phillips, a Canadian, attended more than a half dozen of his seminars. She says she went to gain a better self-awareness. In October of 2009, she attended the Spiritual Warrior Retreat in Sedona, where 3 people died.
I was expecting to walk away more confident. I was expecting to walk away with a great learning experience.
Phillips told jurors about what she ate at the retreat, what she drank, and where she stayed. On the stand, she testified she was given several waivers there, releasing the organizers from liability, but it wasn't until she arrived at the retreat she learned what she was really in for.
Had Mr. Ray or anybody told you about how hot the ceremony would be?
Before we entered the sweat lodge, we were told it would be very hot.
And at the time that you signed this waiver, were you told that it would be very hot?
No.
The prosecution is building a case based on Ray's influence over his participants, spurring them on to engage in dangerous exercises, pushing themselves over the limit to the point of death.
I felt I should play full on and do everything in my power to have the experience I was paying for.
Now, court proceedings are just wrapping up for the day, but coming up at 6, we'll hear more about what Ms. Phillips said on the stand. For now, we're live in Camp Verde. Eric English, ABC 15 News.